Hello, Cleveland, and welcome to your 10-minute TA. Let's get on into the charts then, huh? All right, so yesterday when we were looking at it, I was saying that there was a chance that we came down over here to test our last all-time high, our previous all-time high. Now our support level at 103,700 is where we kind of shifted it to yesterday. So yeah, 103,700. Price did, in fact, come down and is currently fighting to stay above 103,700. That support level there. Let's see if what happens yesterday plays out like I was saying, and upwards move happens today, and we'll see if we can break new all-time high. Why am I saying that? Well, if we take a look here at our RSI, you'll see that it has come down and is finding support at our 50 line. Now, as long as RSI can stay here above the 50, we'll remain in bullish territory, and we'll stay hopeful for that bounce off of our support level of 103.7. However, the RSI is under its signal line, which signals to me and to us and to anyone looking at it that there is bearish momentum. The same thing here with the stochastic RSI being under its signal line as well. However, it is finding itself in oversold territory, which is, usually where it comes out of a bounce, and it's moved down into oversold territory rather quick, while the daily stochastic has remained high. Yeah, it's come under its signal line, so watch out for possible bearishness, but it could get stuck up here and, like we've seen before. On the RSI there, we'll see that it's still bullish and bullish momentum on the daily RSI. Actually, no, it's sunk underneath the, just barely under the signal line there. So bearish momentum, but in bullish territory. So basically decision time. Are the bears going to drop us down under this support, or will the bulls maintain control and push us back up? Let's take a quick peek at some lower time frames, some smaller time frames, just to see where things are going. You know what? Let's keep this guy up, and we'll just turn this into a 3 chart. Phew. 3 charts. Whoa, 3 charts, man. You'll also notice that volatility is starting to decrease on the 6-hour chart, but it is still at, a fairly decent volatility. 50-50, can move either way, basically what it's saying. Could move, basically. But if you look here on the 90-minute chart, oh, that's 22. Let's go to the 90-minute chart. You'll see the volatility still high as well, with 61.9 on the read on the BBWP. Update you. I'm going to switch you. Let me just do this real quick, because the SAR isn't. Oh, you know what? I'll just do it this way. Apply these indicators to a whole chart, and then we're just going to get rid of the titles. You guys know what those are. Those are well, one more thing. We're just going to get rid of the 21. I don't know why it's back on here. We don't need the 21 because that's the middle line, the red line for the Bollinger Bands there. Sorry, lost my excitement there. Let's bring it back up a little bit. All right. We'll be watching this right here on the 90-minute chart. So the 90-minute chart seems to be putting in a double bottom on the on that support line that we've been talking about. Double bottoms will play back out to where they started. So if we mark it out, you play it back out. So we're looking at back up to 106.361 at the very least. And if it's a higher one, like if we can play it out to here, we can project it out to there, then, you know, back up to test our all-time high. Let's look at the indicator here. Indicators here on the 90-minute chart. You will see, let's get rid of this guy, it's so bright in your eyes. All right, you'll see that there is some bullish divergence, just a teensy tiny bit there. You see it with the RSI coming in and putting in a higher low, possibly. This could also dip and not put in a higher low at all. But currently it is putting in a higher low, while price action is putting in even or flat lows, or whatever you want to call it. That is standard bullish div. So hey, that could be a little sign that this M pattern, or I'm sorry, this W pattern that we were just talking about plays out either up here to 106.3 or back up to our all-time high. So hey, let's just move this little line to 106.3. Just about. Make it 0, and we'll move it to 106. 106.445. That's what we'll call it. Whatever. 106.445, 106.5, whatever. Or it comes back up to test our all-time high at 108.264. Or this becomes a bear flag. If we lose this divergence, if we see RSI on the 90-minute chart fall down, put in lower highs, then we could possibly see this turn into a bear flag. If you want, I can mark that out for you. We'll bring that back down. The thing about this bear flag also is, if it is a bear flag, then it's also forming a descending triangle. What a descending triangle is, it's a flat bottoms, lower highs, and that usually means downward moves. A downward move of, well, we'll do a conservative bull flag. This is the move for the actual triangle as well, but that would bring us down to about 109, 101-ish, right around that 200 moving average for the 90-minute and the 50 moving average for the 6-hour, or the 21 moving average for the daily. So hey, possible move down to that. That would also bring us down to just around our 99.6 support level, our support level down below that, which could also hold us up if, you know, the bears take control. But let's say this is a little bit more of a bigger move. Let's measure it from here. Let's say that's the bear flag. Well, that would bring you down all the way basically to that support level, a little bit lower. You could wick down below it. Let's get rid of all this though. And what else can I show you? Not a whole lot. Basically, right now we're looking for this divergence to hold. If the divergence can hold, then we'll see the stochastic continue to move up. Otherwise, we're going to see the Stokes here stall here at the 50, come on back down. If that happens, these are going to get stuck down here in oversold territory on the 6 hours, the Stoke will, and that'll drive the RSI on the 6 hour into bearish territory, which will drive price action downwards, and most likely we'll see a stop here at the 200 on the 90, or the 50 on the 6 hour, or the or near the 21 on the daily. Not exactly, but near. But yeah, so yeah, up, down, bulls, bears. Where's it going? It's going somewhere though. The Bollinger Bands are pretty wide, finding ourselves near the bottom of it, and so we could see a reversal from here. Like I was saying, it's 50-50, man. I don't know which way it's going today. It's 50-50. It's either going up or down. Down, if it goes down, then hey, let's hope it stops, you know, here, because otherwise it's putting in lower lows. And yeah, oh, we could also say one more thing that you notice is this why maybe I'm more bearish a little bit, just a little bit more bearish than bullish. This wonky little head and shoulders pattern that's formed here as well, with head or shoulder, head. Come on, there it is. Head, and then just put it there for now. Shoulder, there. Oh, no, I don't need that last one. All right, we'll move you there, and we'll say that's your head and shoulder there. We'll make it red, not green. So yeah, I'm a little bit more bearish right now than bullish, so we'll see if the bulls can take control. There is bullish patterns, there's bearish patterns. So it's like, you know, I don't know, 55, 45, bearish, more bearish. That one also takes it down, you know, there. It's the same as that bull bear flag from before. So yeah, hey, where's it going? Who knows? Not me. Hopefully up. I'd like to see it move up. I'm sure you would too. But yeah, I'm ready for the move regardless of whether it's moving up or down or all around. Yeah. Okay. I got nothing else. Much love. See you later.